Activity: try to draw triangles with the following data. First, triangle ABC, in which major angle A is equals to 85 degree, major angle B is equals to 115 degree, length of AB is equals to 5 cm. Second, triangle PQR, in which length of QR is equals to 2 cm, length of PQ is equals to 4 cm, length of PR is equals to 2 cm. Could you draw these triangles? Yes, we draw these triangles. Congruence of segments. Activity 1. Using the ruler, measure the lengths of segment AB and segment PQ. Length of AB is equals to 4.5 cm. Length of PQ is equals to 4.5 cm. Are they of same length? You cannot pick up the place one segment over the other. Trace the segment AB along with the names of the points on a sheet of transparent paper. Place this new segment on segment PQ. Verify that if point A is placed on point P, then B falls on Q. It means that segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. We can infer from this that if two line segments have the same length, they coincide exactly with each other. That is, they are congruent. If segment AB and segment PQ are congruent, it is written as segment AB congruent to segment PQ. Activity 1. From the shape shown below, write the names of the pairs of congruent line segments. First, segment AB congruent to segment DC. Second, segment AE congruent to segment BH. Third, segment EF congruent to segment GH. Fourth, segment DF congruent to segment CG.